Our college is the treasure trove of knowledge, contributing significantly to positive college experience, academic excellence, and student well-being.
Offers a diverse range of clubs and activities.
Students can take on leadership roles within these clubs, which help them develop their leadership, organizational, and management abilities.
The academic collaboration with IIM Bangalore offers various industry-relevant topics which not only aims at expanding students' knowledge but also improving their managerial abilities.
International immersion program where each and every student gets the opportunity to explore and get the insights of education in different geographies of the globe.
The incubator Innovate Up provides plenty of opportunities to the students to explore, innovate and implement many new ideas.